Tired of the long printing lines in the library? Frustrated that you're constantly late for class and can't get a coffee because you need to quickly print your handout for class in order to get a participation grade? Together we can make a change, and not only can we help each other, but we can help our environment and make it a safer place to live. The environmental impact of paper is significant, which has led to changes in industry and behavior at many businesses. My goal is to make this happen at universities as well. With the use of modern technology, disposable paper has become a cheap commodity. This has led to high level of consumption and waste. Because of the rise in environmental awareness due to the activities in environmental organizations, with increased government regulation, there is now a trend towards sustainability in the pulp and paper industry. These are small steps, but it's a work in progress. Switching to an e-filing system, paperless system could save up to 1.4 trillion pounds of paper, 728K trees, and lots of CO2 if everyone did it. Recycling requires some effort. Well, why not make it more simple and just cut out prints and paper altogether? It's hard, but it's possible. You just have to be passionate about it. We have so many electronics we can use, or if technological options don't work for some people, we can just be smart about it. For example, print double-sided papers, and when you're done with it, recycle it. It's not that hard. There are bins for recycling everywhere. Did you know that recycling 1 ton of paper saves 20 trees, 7,000 gallons of water, 3 cubic yards of landfill space, 60 pounds of air pollutants, and saves enough energy to power the average home for 6 months? Paper waste accounts for up to 40% of total waste produced in the United States each year, which adds up to 71.6 million tons of paper waste per year in the United States alone. If that number only refers to the amount of paper we waste, imagine all the other waste we're exposing to our environment too. The benefits of recycling paper or even decreasing the excessive amount of it include reducing greenhouse emissions that can contribute to climate change by avoiding methane emissions and reducing energy required for a number of paper products. It extends the fiber supply and contributes to carbon sequestration. It saves considerable landfill space and reduces energy and water consumption. So by making this one change in our lifestyle, we would be helping our environment in many ways. We want to keep our cities looking good and bring out color with the beautiful trees surrounding it. We don't want to live in an empty land with no trees and no plants. It just wouldn't be attractive. Together, let's make a change, hand in hand. Let's use our voices and speak up. Reducing the amount of paper printed at universities is a big step to making our environment better today and years to follow.